Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Morgan Options. Here I show you how to trade binary options. And today's strategies will be... No, stop! Before we get started, I just want to ask you one thing. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and put a like. Because I've never seen such a detailed guide like mine anywhere else. And of course, don't forget about my Telegram channel. Message me on Telegram and get even more useful information and start trading with me. So let's get to our today's trading. Today I'm trading on company stocks and all the assets with the most optional movement patterns and payout percentage you can see in front of your eyes. I have already made a detailed analysis of the market for the last period of time and came to the conclusion that we will use the following indicator set. It will include a Donchian channel with a period of 20, we remove the moving average line of this indicator, and instead of it, we will have a weighted moving average with period of 20. And also the SSI oscillator with a period of 20. We will analyze the movement today. Charts inside the channel indicator. We will also get signals from our weighted moving average. We needed to control the movement inside the channel indicator. And we will also analyze the overbought and oversold areas. I will explain each trade in detail, so I think as you trade you will understand how to open your positions correctly and what conditions you have to meet in order to open a trade. We'll start with $30. We'll try to make a good run up of deposit today. I think everything will go as it should be. And we will open all the trades on 1 minute time frame. Let's get started and pick up the first asset to find the most optional entry point. And let's open the first position here on the downside. We choose the shares of the company Twitter and we consider here the intra-channel movement and the opening occurs on the downward dynamics for extreme areas. We see that we have the potential for the downward movement. Here we consider as intra-channel movement. We have an exit from the overbought area on the oscillator and the crossing of the weighted moving average from top to bottom. And here I allow for a downside opening, considering it more acceptable. So let's see the result. And the first position closed in plus perfectly. Quite a tense moment here, of course, I got it. But anyway, the position close plus excellent. To confirm the reliability of the work of this bunch of indicators, we'll open further positions for the maximum amount of balance. For now, let's continue and pick up the following asset. If you wanna get free real money to your trading account right now, in the description of this video, I will leave a link to this trading platform, my friends. I trade here every day and I write a new promo that gives you real free money to the balance. You can use them for trading. It's best way for practice for beginners. Here I will open a position on the upside. Again, we will analyze the intra-channel movement. We have a reversal so far. It is a small reversal, but still after the update of global structural maximum, we open on the upside. Besides, the moving line has not crossed the overbought area yet. So guys, let's see the result. And the position is also closed in plus without any problems. First trade is also opened on the maximum amount of balance. Let's continue and pick up the next entry point. Here we should immediately open a position on the downside. We open a trade after the formation of a new point of extremum. And also this is a global structural maximum and confirmation. This signal is the exit from the overbought area of the moving line on my oscillator. Here we have an extremum point and we play from the extremum point. So let's see the result. And the position closed in plus perfectly. First, the opening will also be carried out of the maximum amount of balance. Let's continue and pick up the next entry point. Let's open a position on the upside here. There is an exit from the oversold area right now. It's happening, and again we open a deal on the formation of a new point of extremum. There was enough good pullback in the dynamics. The trend of the general trend is upward. So here we open a deal to go up. Let's look at the result. I think a small exit, but still should occur. And as you can see, the exit happened and the position was also closed in plus perfectly. Further trading also continue with the opening on the maximum balance. Let's analyze some more interesting entry, continue and pick up the next share of the company. And in fact, here too, I would probably prefer to open a trade on the upside. Of course, we open the trade before the moving line starts to cross the oversold area and come out of it. But based on the dynamics movement, considering that we have a new global structural low and an extremum point is forming again, I realized that the pullback should continue and open a trade to the upside. So let's see the result. And as you can see, quite confidently we had an exit and close the position in the plus. Let's open the next trade for the amount of $36. All the balance already, I will not take any risks. The next trade will probably be the conclusion of today's trade. I think you have understood the basic principle of this strategy and how to open trades inside the channel movement and on the formation of extremum points. So as a conclusion, we will open one more trade. Let's continue and pick up the next and final asset. Let's try to open a position here again on the formation of the extremum point. But here I don't like the entry point because we have not broken through this touching level. And if the dynamics of the movement had gone a little bit lower and the structural minimum has formed at the moment somewhere here or here, then here we can open a trade for a rise. And so we still have the dynamics of movement can actually go lower. But anyways, the point of extremum is formed. So I have to open the position. And let's see the result. I was just a little bit short to close the position in plus, but still it closed in minus. But that's okay. I will be more than satisfied with the profit on today's trade. That's all. So let's fix today's profit and move on to the conclusion. The amount of today's profit is $700. The operation of withdrawal is successfully executed. This is the trade for today turned out with the use of this bunch of indicators. I think I was able to explain everything very clearly, and I hope the question remained at a minimum. So guys, have a good day and see you soon.